Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you about a problem of coffee machines Delonghi grinding too fine. This problem can appears in these coffee machines. Here I get Prima Donna XS, Authentica, and Delonghi 23 and 420. It may be machine 23 and 450, Delonghi Cappuccino, or maybe another Delonghi with a screen. Let's start with describing brewing system of coffee machine Delonghi. Here I get top piston and brewing unit. Between these two parts there will be grinding coffee. As you can see, this piston of brewing unit move down. Here we can get grinding coffee, and after it brewing unit move up and press grinding coffee in tablet style. So let me show you how it works. Actually it works like this. After that freshly brewed coffee will move out from this spout, and after this spout it go to your cup. So if we got some problem in this brewing chamber between these two pistons, coffee will not brewed. What will cause this problem? If your grinds will be too fine, this of course will be right, and your coffee machine will wrote you a message, grinding too fine, because it will be fine. But in other cases your grinding size can be the same as you drink coffee for instance yesterday, but your coffee machine doesn't make you coffee and send you this message grinding too fine. What can be in these occasions? If you don't make cleaning of your brewing unit, and caffeine oils will collect under this metal screen. Let's unscrew this filter screen and watch how is it like inside. This look very nice and clean, but in main cases, if you unscrew this filter screen in your coffee machine, you will see what it get a lot of caffeine oils. So you must clean this. So if it get this problem, it will stop brewing for your coffee machine, and it will show you this message, grinding too fine, because this filter screen will be in dirt. Or second part, actually this filter screen from plastic can be with caffeine oils too. So you must unscrew these two screws and watch it inside. Is it clean? Now I start this coffee machine. It's clean in all places. With brew unit and top piston on 100%, it's in perfect conditions. I try to make coffee, it will do this, and after that I will block brewing chamber by putting this metal foil between these two pistons, and we will get this message. So now I can show you. So let's start this machine. It's already heated. And make sure what it makes a normal coffee. Now it's grind some normal coffee, about 10 grams, and brew for us with nice cup. Let's see how it do this. It's strong, nice coffee. Perfect. Let's see closer. With good crema, this is nice coffee. So this coffee machine works on 100%. Now I put this piece of foil to the brewing chamber, and I block water and coffee system is in this machine, and we will get this information about grinding too fine. Let's see how now it in brewing chamber. Let's start. Now coffee on the top of our foil. Let's see what we got. Did it makes us a coffee?